Humbucker, neck pickup, single coil, still neck pickup, back to humbucker neck. Hey, my guitar just came in. I got a text from the local music store. I've been waiting on it for 4 months, almost 5 months. So I'm gonna take you with me and go pick it up. We'll come back here and unbox it. Let's go. So guitars are like tattoos. Somebody once told me that if you want to get a tattoo, decide what you want and wait a year. And if you still want it, then go get it. I don't have any tattoos, but I think it's good advice for the guitar thing, especially when I've had so many guitars, and we'll get to that later. I've wanted this guitar for 3 years, and I special ordered it 4 months ago. So it's been almost 3.5 years since I decided I wanted this guitar. That from that time I decided I wanted it till now, till today, to where I'm actually picking it up. Thank God, finally. So I still owe 18 bucks on it. How much is it? 18.95?
18.95.
So that's kind of ridiculous on a $2,500 guitar. Stuck. Freaking Dairy Queen. I can't go through Dairy Queen without getting ice cream, man. It's 10:30 in the morning.
You gotta stop by Dairy Queen.
Don't tell my wife. She's like, you did that without me.
Ow.
Oh man, like can you imagine if it's wrong? Like totally just wrong guitar.
I did imagine if it was wrong. If it's wrong, I hope it's cool.
Okay.
Totally reminds me of working at Guitar Center. Right.
Oh.
Whoa. That's awesome. It's like a Coke bottle. So a lot of people think on the YouTube and the internet think that I get guitars for free or discounted. I do not. I paid for this all my own money, and I sold a lot of stuff to get this guitar because I've wanted it for so long. I sold this, this, and this. So this brings up kind of an important question about gear that I just want to talk about and start a conversation here with you. And that is, do you need more than one guitar to be satisfied and be able to play all the things you want to on guitar? I have owned probably over 50 guitars in my lifetime, and I only own 8 or 9 right now. And sometimes I bought those guitars because I was like, I love this, it's fun, it's a hobby within a hobby, and I just like these guitars. But sometimes I bought the guitars because I was like, man, if I only had that guitar, it would allow me to get better with my guitar playing. It would inspire me enough, or, you know, if I could only have that one piece of gear, whatever it is, guitar, amp, pedals, I would get better. And that's not the case. I don't think that's healthy. What I do think is cool, and what I do like, is having a different kind of tonal palette to choose from guitars. Like, if I'm showing up to a country gig, I'm not gonna take this guitar probably. I'm probably gonna take my Telecaster because that's the sound I want. If I'm showing up to a church gig, I might take my Gretsch because that's really appropriate for that. So what do you think? Do you think you can get by on one guitar as a guitar player, or do you think you need multiple ones? I like having multiple ones, but I think 50 is a bit excessive unless it's a hobby within a hobby. You can't really rely on your gear to make you better. You have to do that for yourself. All right, let's hear how this sounds a little bit more. So let me know what you think about this topic below. Is it the guitar that makes the player that makes the guitar? I think we all know it's the player that makes the guitar, but let me know below what guitar has been on your list forever. Which one do you want? I'll see you later.
How many guitars have you had now?
50 or 55, yeah.
Okay. and you currently have like 9 or so.
Yeah, I've sold a crap ton of guitars.
So what makes you think you're not gonna sell this guitar?
It can very easily, it has to pass like the 6-month test. I like it initially. It has all the features I want. Currently, 80% of those guitars I wish I still had, but I don't even have a place to put them, right? So.